Caleb's happy because he's supposed to be napping now. And every time he's supposed to be napping, he smiles and starts laughing. Oh, baby. What are you laughing at? I'm not even doing anything. You know, you're supposed to be sleeping. That's right, sleeping with your eyes closed. That's right. Sweet Joe. You snoring? Ah! You snoring? Caleb. Caleb. Smile. Oh! What are you doing? Oh.